Today I just want to share a little product review. Um, this is definitely becoming one of my favorite cabin tools. And what it is, it's the Mosquito Sniper System. And I bought it originally. You got a place up north, and the mosquitoes and the flies are horrible. So bought the sniper system, got some chemicals, and I'll make a video on that. But what it is, it enables you to use a pump sprayer, whether you can get a 2-gallon, you can get backpack, there's lots of different models, but it just hooks up to your blower. And it could be a gas blower, electric, battery operated. And what it does is there's a nozzle tip at the end, and you can fine tune like the mist. And what I've been, obviously was using it for the insecticide, but what it really works for very well is spraying herbicide. I'm making a bunch of trails through the property, and I plan on making some food plots. And as I clear it, all the stuff, weed whip it, pull it out, and then I'll come in and spray it with some Roundup. And this, normally you use like this pump sprayer, and it takes quite a bit of time, and you kind of miss spots. This bad boy, I mean, it just, I would say it probably cuts the time definitely in half, probably even more. I mean, it just reaches. And another nice thing about it too that I've noticed is I think it conserves your herbicide, because it seems like 1 gallon, man, it goes a long ways using this. But what I'll show you, I'll start it up, and I don't know if we'll be able to see it mist, but let me get this started here. And where I go, I can't bring a 4-wheeler or a mini bike in there with a sprayer. I mean, I got to be able to walk in, because I'm cutting my own trails. So that's what's kind of convenient with this. It's small. As you can see, I mean, I sprayed that area, didn't take me long, and bingo bango. But it was $54, and that included the sniper system and the tank. And like I said, you could choose different options and get a backpack sprayer, or you could just buy the unit, and if you have your own pump sprayer already. So leave it, a question, comment below, and make it a great day.